Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's touched so many of our lives, even if we don't always realize it: the world of AI-powered development, specifically through tools like GitHub Copilot. So let's kick things off. Picture this. You're sitting at your computer, staring at a project that feels daunting, and suddenly, boom, a tool like GitHub Copilot jumps in, offering you suggestions and helping you code faster. Isn't that incredible? But how does this technology actually work, and what does it mean for developers everywhere? First, let's talk about the basics. GitHub Copilot is like having a coding partner who never sleeps. It's an AI-powered tool that can provide code suggestions right as you're keying in your commands. This is pretty revolutionary, considering how much time developers usually spend just looking for the right syntax or searching for examples online. Have you ever felt the frustration of finding that one missing line of code? With Copilot, that struggle could be a thing of the past. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but why should I trust an AI to write code for me? Great question. The tool learns from a vast amount of coding examples across different languages and frameworks, which means its suggestions are based on real-world practices. It's not just pulling random information, it's suggesting what's most likely to work based on proven patterns found in millions of lines of code. Isn't it a little like having a mentor who knows all the right answers? Throughout our conversation, we should definitely explore the implications of such technology. For instance, will tools like GitHub Copilot make programmers obsolete? Well, that's up for debate. On one hand, it can boost productivity and even democratize coding, making it more accessible to those who might not have traditional programming backgrounds. On the other hand, it's important for programmers to maintain critical thinking skills and an understanding of the fundamentals, even with these AI helpers. Oh, and here's something I find particularly intriguing: how this affects collaboration. With features like Code Review and Discuss in GitHub, we end up integrating AI more deeply into our development workflows. Can you imagine a world where developers from all over collaborate seamlessly, powered by AI suggestions? It's like turning a solitary activity into a vibrant communal experience. But let's not forget the importance of security either. As AI tools become prevalent, understanding how they operate and the potential vulnerabilities they may introduce to our projects is crucial. For example, if we're relying on suggestions from an AI, we must still scrutinize those suggestions to avoid inadvertently incorporating flawed or insecure code. What do you think? Is that a risk worth taking? Now, as we wrap up, let's reflect on this. AI in development isn't about replacing human ingenuity. Instead, it's about augmenting it, enhancing our skills, and letting technology handle the repetitive tasks that can bog us down. So what's our takeaway today? Embrace these tools, but remember to stay engaged with the core principles of coding. Thanks for joining me today on this exploration of AI-powered development tools like GitHub Copilot. I hope you feel inspired to dig deeper, whether that means trying new technologies or reflecting on how to stay sharp in a rapidly changing landscape. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and keep questioning the possibilities.